Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maddie here, and today we are going to be making a sandwich that's all about Kansas because it's almost Kansas Day. And so today we have Nolan here to show us how to do it. So let's get into the process. The ingredients we need today are going to be honey, because our state insect is a honeybee. And
sunflower seeds, because the state flower is a sunflower, and wheat bread, because Kansas is the bread bowl and we produce a lot of wheat.
Yeah. Don't squish it. Don't squish it.
Okay, so what we're gonna do to make this is first you're gonna put on the honey. Maddie, you're still working on it.
Yeah.
You're gonna sprinkle on a few sunflower seeds. I usually do a lot. And then you can add a little bit more.
Now we're gonna close them up and give them a try. Three, two, one. The honey is sweet and creamy, as well as the sunflower seeds, because the sunflower seeds give it a little crunch. And then included with all that, there is some squishy bread.
Mm-hmm. The sunflower seeds make a really good pair with the honey.
All in all, I would put some more honey on it because I love the honey. I would eat it as a snack after school. And I really liked it.
I did too.
Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, hit the notifications button, comment, and we'll see you next time. Good.